A registration waitlist is a queue of students who are waiting to register in a filled course. In order to be able to join a waitlist, you must meet the course prerequisites and restrictions. Joining a waitlist does not guarantee a space in the class. On the Add or Drop Classes page, enter the CRN of the course that is full and press the Submit Changes button. If the course has a waitlist enabled, the registration error message will be Open, Waitlisted. The number of students currently waitlisted will be displayed. Select Waitlist from the Action Pick list and press the Submit Changes button. Once you are waitlisted for a course, it will be indicated in your current schedule as waitlist and the date you were added.